In just a few minutes, we're about to unveil a groundbreaking surveillance device, ACTi Z721. How can it revolutionize your expectations of security across high-risk environments like residential areas, train stations, and traffic zones? With unbeatable value, cutting-edge AI features, and exceptional low-light performance, are you ready to witness the future? First, let's explore the hardware core of the ACTi Z721. Equipped with a 4MP fixed lens and industrial-grade M12 connector, it ensures ultra-stable connectivity and is mounted on a 3-axis bracket ideal for ceilings at train stations, lobbies in residential buildings, or signal poles on the street. These designs make installation fast, secure, and cost-effective, truly plug-and-play with long-term reliability. Next, you may wonder, what can it see in total darkness? Z721 supports 30-meter infrared night vision and can deliver color images even at an ultra-low light level of 0.002 lux. Whether it's an underground parking garage, tunnel entrance, or train platform, it delivers ultra-clear images. Paired with 135 dB wide dynamic range, even backlight won't stop it. It's your dream weapon for nighttime surveillance. Then, we can't ignore Z721's built-in AI features. It detects humans and vehicles accurately, supports intrusion detection, area entry-exit monitoring, people counting, and crowd density analysis. Perfect for busy residential entrances, train station gates, and major intersections. It dramatically reduces false alarms from trees, birds, or lights, saving monitoring costs and time. Finally, with IP67 waterproof and IK10 vandal resistance plus a built-in microphone, the Z721 records audio and keeps working even in extreme outdoor conditions. Whether it's mounted on an outdoor wall, station booth, or roadside pole, it's built to last. This level of durability and feature integration is rarely seen at this price point. You may think, aren't there already cameras with similar specs on the market? Why Z721? The answer is value. Compared to brands like Axis, ACTi Z721 saves you 30 to 50% in cost while delivering the same or even stronger AI, night vision, and durability. For system integrators, this isn't just budget-friendly, it's your secret weapon for competitive proposals. Still hesitating? Experience the image clarity and intelligent security of ACTi Z721 now. Make it the most trusted solution for your next project. Subscribe to our channel to learn more real-world strategies and expert tips.